Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to attach Google Photos to the Gmail. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android, and then I will move to the iPhone. And on Android we have two options how to do this. The first one, we can open Google Photos, then tap the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you use your correct account. If you use another account, click the arrow icon near to your account, and then you can or switch on your account or you can add your account. After that, select the photo what you wanna share. So let's say these two. Click share at the left bottom. Then you need to select Gmail, or you can select already users at the Gmail. Okay, let's use the Gmail. Let's say you do this for the first time. So write the email, and I want to send it to this user, and we have this photo. So we can click to send. The second option is to go to Gmail. Then click Compose at the right bottom. Oh, and also make sure that you use your correct account and switch to another account if you use not your. So Compose. Then I want to send it also to this user, and click at the attach icon at the top, select Photos, and then click at the three dots. Settings, and as you can see we send it from Google Photos. Click at the settings icon near to Google Photos and click Allow. And now we have access to the Google Photos gallery. So right here we have all these photos. This one is main photos feed. You can also use collections, and you can find right here albums and select from albums. Let's say I want to select it from my album. So okay, we need to select the photo. Can I? No, okay. So click done after that, and done, and then send. And now we have two these mails. Okay, we should have, so maybe we need to wait a bit. And right here we have two these mails, so you can now save these photos to your phone, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!